Welcome to Literacy Home Learning. This is a literacy unit appropriate for children learning from home during this extended school closure. It is designed to provide learning opportunities for primary age children and will help them develop their ability within the national curriculum. This is lesson number 2 in the series. Please listen along, pause the video when necessary, and be sure to listen out for tasks appropriate for your age and ability. To be prepared for today's lesson, make sure you have something to write with and your home learning book. Follow along with the video and be sure to pause when you have been given a task to complete. You will know when to pause when you see the symbol in the bottom corner of the screen. Today's learning objective is to make inferences from a picture. The book that we'll continue to look at in this unit is Black Dog by Levi Pinfold. What is inference? Inference is the use of clues from a story or picture to learn more about what is happening. If you see a picture of a birthday party and there are 6 candles on the birthday cake, an inference you could make is that someone has just turned 6 years old. Time for your first quick task. We're going to show you an image from Black Dog. Pause the video and make notes in your home learning book about what you see. You should aim to note down at least 5 different things. What did you notice? Let's have another look. We noticed it's snowing outside. The man is wearing pyjamas. The man has dropped his food. There's a small child sitting by the window. There's children's colouring on the floor. And the family own a cat. Using the clues from the image, we can make some inferences and find out more about what might be happening. Here are some inferences that we made about the clues we found. We've taken our clues and the inferences we've made and placed them into a small table. Our first clue was it's snowing. The inference we could make from this is it might be winter. Our next clue was children's drawings. The inference we could make from this is it could be the children's. Our next clue was the dropped food. The inference we could make from this, something startled the man. And finally, our last clue were the pyjamas. The inference we could make from this is that it might be morning or evening. Time for the main task. Now that we've shown you how to make inferences, it's time for you to make some of your own. When making inferences, it's always a good idea to explain the reason behind our thinking. We can do that by using the word because. Key Stage 2 should recognise the word because as a subordinate conjunction. Year 1 and 2, here's your main task. Using the clues you wrote down from your quick task, make 3 inferences about the story. Here's an example to help you. I think that there is something scary outside of the house. Year 3 and 4, here's your main task. Using the clues you wrote down from the quick task, make 3 inferences about the story. You must use the conjunction because to explain your inference. Here's an example. I think that there is something scary outside the house because the man looks startled. And finally, Year 5 and 6, here's your main task. Using the clues you wrote down from the quick task, make 5 inferences about the story. You must use a different conjunction in each inference. You must also use a different modal verb in each inference. These could be words like could, might, should, must, ought to. Here's an example. It could be that there is something scary outside of the house because the man looks startled. So how did you do? Read your work out and check for any mistakes. Make sure to share your work with your home teacher. Well done everyone, that's the end of lesson 2. Be sure to join us again in the next lesson.